Almost 2 decades of friendship. From Cebu to Canada. Let me introduce to you my friends, Jonah, Stephanie, and Felix. We all met at Jollibee Cinerama. Naging Jollibee crew kaming apat. Si Felix isang soda crew, ako naman is a counter, si Stephanie naman as a counter, and si Jonah naman is senior cashier. Actually, 5 kami. Si Daisy nasa Cebu. Sana makapunta din siya dito. Insert to bag, I miss you. Anyway, Felix is just here for a visit, so nakapag-banding kaming apat. Who would have thought na kaming apat is nagkakasama pa rin dito hanggang ngayon. Surround yourself with people na nag-ambisyon para meron kayong maabot sa buhay. Tingnan nyo kami, kahit crew lang, pero nandito na.